Hello everyone, look what I found, something new, boneless, skinless chicken drumettes. Let's see, they were a good price, got them for $3.84. They look kind of like chicken thighs. I got some salt, pepper, garlic, olive oil, and lemon. I'm just gonna take my little chicken leg meaty parts and put them in the marinade. Now I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it sit while I focus on the sides. Now I'm gonna dice some potatoes. Let's add some water. You just want to cover your potatoes. We're gonna add some salt and set our stove to a medium heat. We want to bring them to a boil. We're gonna have mashed potatoes and ranch style beans with jalapeno peppers. My chicken has been marinating about 30 minutes. I've got my grill nice and hot. And now I'm just gonna take my little chicken leg meat and put it on. Here we go. We do have a couple of little fires brewing, but I mean, hey, flame broiled. Not really sure what we're gonna open into. Oh, it doesn't. It's not terrible. Okay. I would say the boneless chicken legs are looking pretty good. Our chicken is registering about 165, so it's done. I'm going to go ahead and take it off the grill. It looks pretty yummy. Let's finish our sides. Ranch style beans with jalapenos going in the microwave for 2 minutes. I've drained the potatoes and now I'm going to mash them. Now I've got butter, sour cream, salt, and pepper. I'm going to stir it up. And the finishing touch, we're going to be adding some cheese. I made some little croissants. I think my experiment may have went wrong, but I bet they're cute. Yep, look, little hearts. And here we have it. Mashed potatoes, grilled chicken, ranch-style beans with jalapenos, and heart croissants. Make your own food.